BGP protocol, which is a border gateway protocol. Here we are going to implement using the Cisco Packet Tracer. So we know that border gateway protocol is will be designed for especially to transfer the data packets or messages between the two different autonomous systems or two different domains. We can see that this is in a square form. We can also have the palette in either elliptical or in this format also, free form or a rectangle or a line or an ellipse format also. So we know that we have taken the three different autonomous systems or domains or asynchronous systems like 171 and 79 has here placed with the three routers. 1841 has been used with the two PCs has been connected. Mm. We know that the port for configuring the PGP between the different devices using the port 179, and then uh, the main motto of this PGP is to transfer the data or the information over the network over different domains or different autonomous systems. So it will check for the better pathway uh, to calculate and send the data. As we know that it is not only transfer the information between different host gateways or any internet or a different autonomous systems. It is also named as a path vector protocol. Here where the paths are to the different host machines or the networks or gateway routers. Here it will be determining the best routing decisions to transfer the data very well. So apart from this, it will be having the uh, bidirectional forwarding data also. That one is an extra. And then here we know in the routing, dynamic vector routing protocol and distance vector routing protocol and all, we know there will be a hop settings and all will be there, destination, subnetting mask, all here are presented here. So for setting up the PGP protocol, we need an AAS, that is asynchronous systems, and the PGP where the routers will be connected under different domains over the network, and based on the configurations we could see how data packets are transferred. So here we are having two types of PGP, that is IBGP and EBGP. IBGP is nothing but the same the two neighbor systems will be in the same autonomous. For example, we can consider this as one elliptical, and here we have two routers and we can have two or more three systems, and that is IBGP. If EGBP means that is to the different AS, like this. This different AS, this one is different AS, they are EBGP. So this is the PGP configuration we have been looking for designed, where here PC will be having with the IP address with as 10.0.0 with the subnet mask we know, and the default gateway has to be done as 10.0.1. So this is for PC 0, and for the PC here we are going to have with the IP address is 40.0.02 with the default gateway as 40.0.0.1. This we have seen here, which we have set here. This is the configuration for part for the AS1, that is we are enabling the configuration terminal with for the router BGP1, that is we have named as AS1. So we are neighboring the 71 asynchronous system, this one, and to be a neighbor remote machine, and the network has been set as for 10.0.00 to mask the subnet over there. And then the same likewise for the 71, that is asynchronous 71 also we have marked the uh, router BGP 71 has been marked to the neighbor 172.16.0.1 for the remote as one, that is AS1 machine, and for the next upcoming machine AS79, this one here in this side for this one. And then network establishment has been made. Likewise for the router 2, here the neighbor is connected as 71 for the 79 asynchronous mission, as we can see here. And then network is masked with the 40.0.0, that is PC2 mission has been masked with the 250 subnet masking has been done. So we can now find the event which and all we have found here by running it. So we can see the data packets has been successfully passed from the source to be router 2 to the destination router 1 here. So we can find it, and likewise successful for the PC2 to PC2, same destination we have placed here. So we can check here to here also. It is in progress, that is PC0 to PC1. It will be going likewise, and then we can check for the PC2. Here in the PC2 I have configured and stated what are all the IP address and the subnet masking and the default gateway. We could get all those informations with the IPv6 also. So I have pinged 10.0.02. So here are around data packets sent to be 4, but we have received 1, so loss will be 1, which is of 25% loss we could we have got from the PC2 point of view. And then so we can find the routing where the PGP has been processed in the router 1. So here we will be seeing where the PGP router has been processed on the router 1. This is router 0 here, that will be here router 0, that is router. So I have wrote the command show IP route. So these are the list which has been shown here. Let us see gateway with the directly connected with the fast Ethernet 0, and for the B with the subnet 8 with the 40.0.0 IP via this two different IPs. And then C gateway is of 172.16.0.0 with the subnet of 16 is directly connected to the serial format. This one we can infer from here. This is has been processed through this via this ID in the asynchronous part of 71. So we have found this. Likewise we can find for the router 2, router 3 also, and also we can see the PGP status also, like show IP PGP summary for the neighboring sorry, for the PGP status. So we could find that neighbor is 172.16.02, which we can infer from the simulated topology diagram itself, with the AS71 plus AS71 as the message received so far is 14 and sent is 12, and the table version is 3, and the input output downtime. Yes, we can find the downtime of the things in the PGP as it is traveling through the path. We can find it, and also we can get to know the protocol like the PGP status and all. Like here with the show IP protocols. Show IP protocol. So here the routing protocol is PGP1. Earlier we have typed it while enabling the configuration. So it is same. And then IGP synchronization is disabled, and the income and the address has been mentioned here, and the maximum path is one only within this, and the gateway is also here. This is one, this one 172.116.0.2 with the distance of 20 has been last updated. So distance external 20 and internal 200, local 200 has been mentioned. Apart from that, we can check the neighboring status also with the command show IP PGP neighbors. Show IP PGP neighbors. So we can see PGP neighbor is this one mentioned here with the remote as 71. We have initially set no with the PGP version 4, and remote router ID is same 172.16.0.2, and the status established, PGP status established, and the last recorded is 10.59 seconds. All the data are here given with the notifications, updates, alive, router refresh, and total so far sent and received. Okay, minimum time between the advertisement runs is 30 seconds, like this it has been mentioned. So we can check the same thing for the router 1 also. That is, this is router 0. For router 1 also we can check the neighboring data and the summary and the protocols and the route also we can be checked. We can see that also here. So we can write show IP route first. Show IP route. Here the gateway is mentioned to be two things, that is 10.0.00 and 40, and also 14 and 16. These and all we have set with the PCs and all earlier, and then we can check the PGP2 protocols which are run on the router 1 actually. So the code is show IP protocols. So we are getting two addresses, that is 172.16.1, this address is in AS1, and also AS79, that IP address also we are neighboring address we have got 172.14.0.2, that also we have got, and the routing information between them two different is 2020 distance has been displayed. Apart from that, we can get the PGP status, how it is, like show IP. So we have seen the up down and down time with the message received and sent to be 14 and 13 and 15 and 13 between the two neighbors, that is AS1 and AS79, and then 3 network entries has been with a memory of the 396 bytes, and 3 path entries with 156 bytes of memory. All the filtered list and route map cache entries are mentioned here, And then we can see what are all the who are all the neighbors also, like show IP PGP neighbors. So the neighbor is remote as AS1 as mentioned, with the informations show IP PGP neighbors and the notifications and refreshment rates, total data sent and received, all everything has been derived here. Likewise, we can do it for uh, the third router also. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time and consideration. So we have understood PGP configuration in the Cisco router with IBGP and EBGP two types with this topology diagram. Thank you, sir.